I can't read.
It could. Nuh-uh. Yeah-ha. Yeah-ha.
I'm so fancy. You already know I'm in the fast lane.
Here's what I heard. Blah, 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 science, 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 bigger. And bigger is better.
10 people died in the Bronx last night due to a fire that killed 10 people in the Bronx last night during a fire.
You gotta fight for your right to party.
Time goes by so slowly. Time goes by so slowly.
Hey there, mailman Fred. Any letters for my ex-wife or the kids? No? Fantastic news!
Tell me, do you dream of being a vampire?
You can tell by the way I use my walk. I'm a woman's man. No time to talk. Music loud, women want being kicked around since I was born.
If you ever want to get out there to fight dragons, you need to stop all this.
But you just pointed to all of me.
Yes, that's it. Stop being all of you.
Welcome to the jungle. We got fun and games. You wouldn't get this from any other guy.
What the hell is she singing now?
I have no idea. I think it was popular a couple of years back.
Hey, Tail.
This was a huge waste of my time.
You did not read mine.
Does it say you want the bucket?
Yes. I was a wimp before Anchor Arms. Now I'm a jerk and everybody loves me.
I'll stop the world and melt with you. You've seen the difference, and it's getting better all the time.
If you've heard of it, it's already too mainstream for me.
I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. So sexy it hurts. And I'm too sexy for Milan. Too sexy for Milan, New York and Japan.
I know my wingspan is small, but I'll just do what you do when you fly away from me. I know my wingspan is small, but I know I can be just like you. Fly away.
Do you want to go to a party later on?
Party?
One with balloons.
Don't you have to be stupid somewhere else?
Not until 4.
I want a hand tight girl for me to make me happy. I pull her from my screen, just like in my dreams. I want to feel her touch.